It's a car cover, sunshade, floor mats, toolkit. That's part of the car cover. Spare tire, disc changer, amplifier, coolant overflow, windshield washer. All that's located under here. That is a stand for the removable hardtop. It's on wheels, easy to move around in your garage. All right, 1999 Porsche Carrera, showing 45,618 miles. Good running motor, cool sounding car. I always like driving these. Under the steering wheel you have your owner's manual as well as our window sticker. A few of the things on here: 6-speed manual, rear wheel drive, Palladio metallic, it's kind of that gold pewter color, black leather, convertible hardtop as well as a power soft top. We have the holder for storage in your garage for this top, as well as the wrench is in the console here for it. Fog lights front and rear, 4-speaker, AM FM. This has an aftermarket radio with some more features: independent suspension, speed sensing steering, AC, rear window defrost, power driver's seat, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry, cruise control, tachometer, outside temperature display, telescoping steering wheel, voltmeter, front buckets, power passenger seat, and split rear seat. So that's our window sticker, but those are just some of the features this car has. This is stored right under the steering wheel. Right by that is the lever for the telescopic wheel. Just move the lever and give it a push or pull. And then your headlights, park, headlights, high beams, push to keep them on always, like that. And you pull out for fog light, pull out for front and rear fog light. These are the marker lights that help in dense fog. Signals, left, indicator works, right, indicator works. Cruise control is here. We'll try out the function of that. Wipers, one click up is for constant low speed, another click up is for constant high speed. Then there is one all the way down, and then one click up you have your intermittent, which is controlled by this dial here. We'll leave it on. We'll give it a second to work. Aftermarket radio, like I said, you got Bluetooth, CD, auxiliary. There's a USB port in this console. What else? Pandora, if your phone's set up that way. Then locks, right there. Rear defrost, right there. Indicator works. Power top is controlled by this. I'm not going to push it because we have the hard top on. Map lights, they all work, and they also come on with the door off when you close. Rear view mirror, day night mode works. Mirrors in great shape, mounted up real nice. Visors, passenger one works with the lights when you flip it. Driver does not. Spring is missing, which may be what turns on those lights. Heated seats, high, low, off, high, low, off on the opposite side. Intermittent wipers did not seem to work, so we'll just kick those off. Power windows, passenger one works. Back triangle window works great, very smooth. Same with the driver's side, works great. Oh, I found your intermittent. So you go down all the way and then set your dial for your intermittent. That corner, nice and smooth. Very nice. Horn. Horn works. Now we'll go into HVAC. Currently in AC mode. See, here they are again. Up to shut that off. So right now it's on the defrost. We'll hit defrost off, turn on the vents. Switches to vents right away. Vents off, go to feet. You can feel it on my feet. And you can do any combination of these that you want. Defrost mode will high fan right up to the top. And you just kick AC off and turn your temperature all the way up. We'll see if we can get rid of this haze, fog, AC condensation on the windshield. Turn it up to high. Alright. It's working. Cool. Heat works, nice and warm. I'm going to kick it to the vent just to verify. Yep, warm on all modes. Recirculate, fused with the AC. Once your interior is cool, just hit that to kind of save the compressor from working so hard. Awesome. Go down to low speed just for cruising and to keep it quiet in here for you guys. With this stand in here, we get some rattles on the road, but there are no rattles with the top. Removable top cars, kind of known for having a rattle to them. This one does not, and this top has been off, as you can see in my photos. I showed the convertible top, soft top, and with no top. Power mirrors, driver side, got 4 directions, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Passenger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Works great. Aside from that, I think we just need to test cruise control out on the road and go from there. Cigarette lighter, never been used. Ashtray, never been used. No smell of smoke, anything like that. Hazards, they work. The indicator works. Seatbelt, very good shape, retracts quickly. Alright. Parking brake down, indicator goes off. There's still a light on for the air diffuser. It comes and goes, if I'm being honest. Didn't have it on this morning coming out here, but upon restart, it did turn red. So, there's first. To the left over, hit the detent, up. There is your reverse. All works like it should. Fuel injected, flat 6-cylinder. Touchy on the throttle. Just kind of how they are. Clutch feels good, transmission feels nice. These ratios are a little closer than you think when you're driving, you'll figure that out. You don't have to rev it out to make it, you know, drop into that next gear. You can, These cars are all about having a good time. High RPM, running around the hills, valleys, mountain roads. That's why they're built the way they are. So I'm in fourth. And it kind of just grabs into the turn as you accelerate out of a turn. You'll feel that. Very good driving feel if you like the analog driver connection to the car type of feel. You'll get this by the boatload in this one. It's not overpowering, but it's enjoyable. I have a microphone on the bumper for the exhaust notes. I'll splice that in here and there. It's a cool engine sound. Cruise control once more. Alright, we are going to call cruise control in-op, although I think it may just be user error. Alright you guys, well that'll do it on this one. Head on over to YouTube, give us a like, comment, share this video, watch another video, something like that. If you're on our website, or if you haven't been to our website, go to our website. If you don't see this car on our website, give us a call. We'll let you know if it's still available. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.